I think I should leave the YouTube. Or not. I think I should.
Cause you don't care, I don't need friends.
Hey everyone, this is Hannah. Welcome to my channel Vlogs Vogue. Today we are going to do a really exciting video. As you can see with the title itself, it's a skincare video. We are going to be trying out Izil Moroccan Beauty. You might want to know about what is Izil Beauty. From the brand name itself, it is inspired by all the Moroccan tradition that have been using different traditional treatments for the skin and hair care. We're going to be trying out a skincare for skin brightening. Let's get started. Okay, it is just the outer layer of the cover, and you're going to see what's inside. Here we go! Ta-da! Oh, this looks cute. This is how it looks. The box itself. Here is the ultimate guide. What are we gonna try? We have 4 items. First one, it's a brightening scrub and it will exfoliate our skin. And for the second one, it has a face mask. It is gonna clarify our skin. Third one is a toner. It is gonna tone our skin down. And then there is a Prickly Pear seed oil. Here you go. Let's dive into the video. It's like, oh my god, this is so cute. I will do one more exciting thing. So half of my face will stay same. You can see there is a tape here. This is the dividing ribbon with the band thing. It's a cute pom-pom band, so don't make fun of me when I'm wearing it. Okay, okay, we're good. I love their packaging because it makes you feel like you want to use it really on your face, and you can trust a product just by their packaging. I'm gonna choose the right side of my face because I have got pimple over here and I have some redness over here, and I really want them to fade out. I'm just gonna put a ribbon on my face. As it's a big ribbon, we need to cut it off. Divide half of my face. Oh my god, this looks funny, by the way. Ta-da! I'm back with the ribbon on my face. I look so weird, I know. So first of all, we're gonna remove the makeup. What I use to remove makeup is this facial deep cleanser. Do some cleaning. By leaving the eye area out, I'm just gonna clean my face. Now, one side of my face is with makeup and the other side is without makeup. Here is our very first step that we are going to follow. That is a facial scrub. Decent packaging. Oh, it's kind of hard. Oh. As you can see it really smells like green tea. I'm sure it's gonna affect our skin in a good way. I'm just applying all the scrub on my face. Guys, I have scrub on one side of my face and I have to rub it upwards so it can exfoliate my skin and circulates the blood around my face. I think I should apply a little bit of more. It's kind of liquefied. Mostly the scrubs are not like this. Mostly, if you will see the scrubs, they are into a thick gelish foam, but this scrub is really a liquid and it's making me feel like, you know, it's kind of oily as well. I'm gonna do it for maybe a minute or 2, then I'm gonna clean it out and start with the step number 2. I already have pimple over here and I have some red marks over here. I don't know why my strip is going off of my face. So guys, now we are to step number 2. That is to clarify our skin. It's a green tea antioxidant mask. It contains argan oil, green tea, and white clay. As you can see it. This is how it looks like. It comes up with this little spatula. So the founder of this brand is Muna Abbasi, and this is what she says: pure is naturally beautiful. This is how the mask looks like. there is a seal. Wow. Wow, guys, it's amazing when you will smell this. It's literally mint, icy, and cool. I really love the smell of this mask. Oh my god. Benefits of this mask: provides you unclogged pores, exfoliates the skin, and brightens the complexion. So we will see, as you already saw the result after the first step, and now we will see after the second step. I'm just gonna leave it on for 5 minutes on my face and show you how the results are. You can see the mask already dried up, so we are gonna remove it like this. I'll just wash it off and come back again. So guys, I already cleaned my face, I washed it off, so the mask is gone, and now you can see the results. How my skin looks like. It is really soft right now. Most of the acne scars and pimples, which were really dark, are faded. Now I'm gonna try out their toner. That is step number 3. This is a spray ball. We're just gonna tone our skin with this Izil toner. I'm just gonna spray it on this side of my face. I'm just gonna make sure that it doesn't go on the other side so it can show us the real-time results. I can feel my skin glowing already, like it's brightening right now. Although the pimples are not gonna go away with this skincare, but you know, it's just gonna take some of your redness. It's gonna make your skin look a little bit fresh. This is how I feel. To tone the skin, this is the toner I apply. I think we are done here with the third step. And now we are going to apply the fourth step, that is to hydrate our skin. Prickly Pear oil from Izil Beauty. This is how it looks like. Okay guys, one more tip: whenever you massage your face, just try to rub your face upwards to look stretched. So now everything is in front of you. We are going to remove the tape. Yeah. I'm literally loving my face. Now this is the last step. We are going to remove the makeup from other side as well, so that you can witness the reality of this treatment. Now you will see the untreated part of my face as well. So it will make it more clear. And it will show you the difference of untreated skin and treated skin. Now this is me without makeup. Have a look closely, you will see there is dark circle over here on this side, and this side is a little bit brightened up, and the dark circle is the kind of faded. So guys, I'm just gonna take off my band and get back to normal. This is all about it. So guys, these are the final results. As you can see, this is the treated side, and it's kind of healthy and it's really shining out. I'm really happy for it. This side is kind of dull. After finishing out this video, obviously I have to apply the same things on my left side so I can look even. I really enjoyed making this video with you guys, and sharing my experience with you was really fun. You guys have seen the final results already. For my honest review, I really like the products. I'm totally satisfied with the result of these products. Like, I'm gonna use them forever now because they are purely traditional. It really had a great effect on my skin. I treated both of the sides for my face, and now I already have a makeup on. Do let me know, how did you like this video? Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you like this video. Leave your reviews in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Happy New Year! Bye-bye! Just stay tuned and stay blessed.
They want me, cause you don't care. I don't need friends. You.
Bye-bye.